my soul. A fire started long, long ago to burn down Babylon's control. Ah, here we go. Light up your fire to fill up your heart's desire. So plant your roots in the ground. Maybe a tree won't be burnt down. Fire, 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 fire down there. Let your spark turn into your flame. Fire, fire, fire. We'll never live in darkness. In darkness, don't give up the fight. Fire burns brightest in the darkest of night.